Hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. How are we all doing? My ladies and my gents, greetings from Atomy Achievers Center here in Kent, United Kingdom. Today, I have a very amazing product. Very common, popular, okay? But trust me, you haven't taken this one yet. You've taken and tasted every other brand, but you haven't taken this one yet. Before I go further, if you're a regular on this channel, welcome back and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for loving my videos. Thank you so much for all those that leave comments and those who they send me DM just to encourage me, telling me they love what I'm doing and they are learning more about Atomy products, how to use them. They love it, the product demos. Thank you. You are the reason why I'm here. If this is your first time of seeing any of my videos, welcome. This is Nikki Beauty and Health's channel on YouTube, okay? We are pioneer distributors of Atomy products. And guess what? I'm not alone. We're over 300 distributors. 300 distributors of Atomy products globally, okay? Atomy is a South Korean company that opened up in Europe in July of 2021, okay? And guess what? We became distributors August 2021 for those of you who have been asking me, okay? We actually partnered with the company August of 2021, literally 1 month after the company opened up market in the United Kingdom. So that makes us basically one of the pioneers of the business here in UK. And guess what? Our products are non-toxic, herbal, made from pure natural ingredients. Plant-based products, okay? Products like I always say on this channel, you must be used to this by now. Products that are as good as the food we eat. So come on board, let's rock and roll. Today's product is our beautiful vitamin C. That's why I said it's very common, very popular. But guess what? You haven't tried this one. Okay? This is all natural, okay? Made from 7 different types of fruits, okay? We've got orange in here, we've got mango, we've got clementine, we've got strawberry, we've got we've got some vegetables in it as well, and it's a whole lot in here for you. Pineapple, okay? So when you take 1 sachet of this, okay, that's how it looks like. There are 90 sachets inside the box, okay? So literally you do get value for money. As with all Atomy products, you do get value for money on this one, okay? Because this is a whopping 3 months supply for the whole family, okay? My family love this, okay? So this is what you see inside this box. 90 of these pieces inside of this box, okay? So it's 1 a day, all right? Some people like to dissolve in water, put it in a glass of water and just drink it, okay? I like to just take it right from the sachet and just savor the taste and enjoy it, okay? So you watch me take it, okay, while I do the tasting. I'm tasting for you. It tastes so good. Nice. Okay, now I'm not going to waste too much time. Just a few points on why we need vitamin C. Come on, it's so common that I feel What are you saying? They know it already. But you know what? Let me do a good job on it. Number one, our body cannot synthesize vitamin C, so we need to take it from food. Okay? It's a water-soluble vitamin. We need to take it from food. Now, it's easily destroyed by heat. So sometimes even in our vegetables, when we heat up our vegetables, we lose a greater percentage of the vitamin C. Okay? All right, so you need this extra supplement, okay, to beef up our, vitamin C levels, okay? That is one reason why we must take this amazing supplement, okay? And another reason why we need to take it is immunity. Remember during the COVID, everybody was rushing for vitamin C. Even a newborn baby knew what vitamin C was during the COVID, okay? And after COVID, people stopped. A lot of people stopped, but I never stopped. I still take vitamin C every single day. Yeah, okay? There's so much out there, pollution and so many other things out there that you need to constantly, okay, boost your immunity, okay? What other way than a lovely 1 sachet a day pack of vitamin C? Okay, so sometimes if I can't take it like every single day, I take it every other day. But I've maintained I've been constant, okay, taking this amazing product. Okay, don't wait until another pandemic hits us. Don't wait until the one they say is coming that is worse than COVID. I don't know, but don't wait until it starts and then you start looking for vitamin C all over the place. Okay, take your vitamin C regularly and prepare yourself, okay, for whatever is coming. All right, so that is our vitamin C. All right, so we need to have that external supplement, okay? And what better one than plant-based organic real fruit vitamin C, okay? Real fruit and vegetables, okay? Now, who can take this amazing product, okay? Who should take it? Anybody who wants to strengthen their immunity, to be able to fight off infections and what have you, and those who just love to have good plant-based organic supplements, okay? And then those who have a high diet in meat, okay? You can also opt for vitamin C, okay? Those who with difficulty in keeping a regular what do you call it, dietary like plan, yeah, okay? And then those who lack fruits and vegetables. There are some people, they don't like fruits, they don't like vegetables, okay? They will eat any other thing, carbohydrates, just name it, they will eat any other thing you give them. But when you bring fruits, no, I'm not a fruit person, or you bring vegetables, no, so those people, they really need to be taking this supplement as well, okay? And then those who want energy also in their daily life, okay? We live in a very busy world where people are constantly on the go, like robots, okay? In the morning, we are all going to cash out, and then we come back in the evening like robots again. They call it the rat race, and we are all up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so you need to take vitamin C, okay? Also, athletes with high activities, people who like they're very, very active, footballers, and athletes generally, okay? They need to be on vitamin C as well, okay? And yeah, so that's who needs to take it. So basically, you can see that everybody literally needs to be taking vitamin C. So don't be left out, okay? I have tried, I can only tell you, give you the importance, tell you why it's necessary for you to be taking vitamin C supplement. But the final decision to do what I'm saying or to take vitamin C is yours, okay? There's no pressure whatsoever. I have tried this particular one. That's why I'm sharing it. Every product I bring on this channel are products that I have tried, tested for myself, and I've proved that these products work, okay, and they're effective, okay. I've also got a lot of people who I recommend the product to, they try, it works. I will be putting more testimonials on this channel, so you can see, okay, that it's just not me. A lot of other people are using these products and they are giving us amazing feedback, okay. So this is vitamin C and this is mine. Go get yours, okay. So if you want to know how to get this, I mean pure fruit, undiluted, no gimmicks, no additions, no nothing, no separations, real fruit, okay, in here, okay. So every sachet you take, you're giving yourself 7 different fruits and veg, okay, infused into this. All right, so to get this, why don't you just scroll down, go to the description box or the comment section and send me a DM. I'll tell you how you can register free online, okay? It's a free registration online, and the company that manufactures this will deliver it straight to your door, okay? Now, I cannot end this video without putting a disclaimer, okay? This company, Atomy, has a disclaimer on any products you find on third-party sites. You cannot sue the company, you cannot blame the company, because their products are not allowed to be displayed on third-party sites, okay? And the reason why is because they want to protect their brand, okay, and they want to ensure that everybody using their products have actually bought products directly from the manufacturer, okay. So if you see this on a third-party site, okay, buy at your own risk, okay. We are authentic pioneer distributors of this product in the United Kingdom. So send me a DM, okay. I'll just tell you how to register free online, okay, with a sponsor ID, all right, free online, and then you can shop and the company delivers straight to your door. And guess what? It's cheaper if you go to a third-party site, okay, assuming you find a genuine one, okay, because there are lots of fake out there, innit? You know, if you find the one that is genuine, you'll be buying this like 2, 3, or 4 times the price. I say it all the time on this channel because people come back to me and say, oh, I bought it double the price. I didn't realize I could get it cheaper, okay? So don't be too hurried to Google it and go get it, you know. Get in touch with me. You can get this cheaper, okay? All right, right now it's going for, which I don't normally do this on my videos, but I tend to start doing this, okay, because I want people to know they can get this cheaper, okay, rather than jumping to third-party sites and buying it triple the price or buying a fake product, okay. It's the world we live in. Like I always say, there's fake everywhere, okay. So all right, this will cost you £19.50, just £19.50, a 3 months whopping supply of pure, undiluted, organic, non-toxic vitamin C. All right, until I see you again in my next video, I hope you're loving this product because I love it, okay. Don't wait until it hits you. Start on your vitamin C.